How can you use money to make more money? The goal of this video is to change the way you think about money in 3 minutes or less. If I make that 3-minute mark, let me know in the comments down below and let's get into it. So first and foremost, you have to have the money mindset. The money mindset is a hard one to grasp. You have to think about money as a tool rather than something that you have. And to be wealthy, your money can't just sit in a savings account and earn you 0.01% interest. I mean, 0.01 is better than 0, but it is not going to make you wealthy by having your money just sit in a savings account. Unless you're saving for something specific or something big, then there's no reason to just have your money sitting earning you 0.01% interest. That's pretty much like 0. I mean, it is better than 0, but that's pretty much 0. So thinking about money as a tool, you need to use it as such. Sitting in a bank account is not using money to its advantage. Your money needs to work for you. You don't need to just work for your money. You need to put your money to work, and you need to change the way you think about money. One thing is that trading your time for money is not it. Time does not equal money. With things like passive income, you do not have to trade your time for money, because trading your time for money ultimately has limits, whereas passive income does not. Meaning your income is not directly reflected by the time and work that you put in. Hitting that like button doesn't take much time and effort, so hit that like. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe for all things money. Now let's get back into why everyone needs passive income. Passive income is the definition of making your money work for you. Passive income provides you with stability, which means you're not living paycheck to paycheck and you can count on money coming in regardless of your employment status. Passive income also comes with freedom. It's easier to reach your financial goals when you do have that security, and freedom in the sense of time freedom, so your time is not directly related to your income. Having passive income also gives you the freedom to do things you actually want to do. Since you're not relying on the money anymore, you can actually do things that you're passionate about and that you enjoy. It just gives you more options. Having passive income also makes your life a little less stressful. It goes hand in hand with not living paycheck to paycheck. You have that stability and you have security. You're not worried if you're going to make this month's rent because you have income coming in that's different from your 9-to-5 job. Depending on what sort of passive income streams you have, it can be earned through the night while you're sleeping. So make money while you sleep with passive income. And if you have no idea where to start with passive income, check out this video where I go into ideas for passive income streams in depth. And don't forget to subscribe for all things money and your personal finance education. I will see you guys next week.